Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step on your Windows PC, how to mine on Binance Pool. Mining correctly helps you earn rewards while keeping your setup stable and secure. Let's get started. First, create and verify your Binance account if you haven't already. Next, open Binance on your PC and navigate to the Pool section from the main menu. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to mine. Remember, some coins require ASICs while others support GPU mining. Now set up your hardware or mining software. For ASIC miners, follow the device manual to point the miner to the pool. For PC-based GPU mining, download a reputable miner compatible with your chosen coin. On your Windows PC, open the miner's configuration file and enter the Binance Pool server address and port, plus your Binance account and worker name, usually formatted as your email.worker1. Save the file. Start the miner and watch the connection messages. Then go back to Binance Pool on your PC and open the dashboard to confirm your worker is online. From here you can monitor hash rate, accepted shares, and earnings. Adjust settings for stability, and ensure cooling and power are adequate. Finally, set your payout preferences in Binance Pool so rewards are automatically transferred to your Binance wallet. Always factor in pool fees and electricity costs when checking profitability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.